Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk to you about Cinchshare. I have talked and talked and talked about this website, but it's only because I have a love affair with it. It keeps my sanity. It helps me run my business without running my life into the ground. And it makes me more successful because I'm able to kind of keep organized and keep control of all those social media platforms and all the things that we have going on in our life. So I'm not scrambling saying, oh shoot, I forgot to post. This is a godsend. There are other posting websites out there, but I can tell you after 2 years of being with Cinchshare and the wonderful people that are behind this product and their trainings, this is by far the leader in the industry as far as I'm concerned, because they have tutorials. They will reach out to you personally if you have a question. They want you to succeed with this. It is something that they're passionate about too. Social media, everyone that's in their company is savvy with social media, and they know what we want and what we need. And so they created this because of that, because they're busy too, and they know what it's like out there juggling all these things. So, okay, off my soapbox. I wanted to show you why I keep telling y'all that you need this. First of all, I keep telling you about free websites. Is this free? No. Do you get 5 weeks to try it free? Yes. So you do get 5 weeks to try it before paying, so that you know if this is something for you. So why not try it for free for 5 weeks? Because I know you're going to love it and you're going to want to keep it. It is $10 a month. Now, if you break that down, that is a pizza or 2 Starbucks, depending on what size Starbucks you get. And also, let's say that you have a $200 party with 31. That means your commission is $50. Okay, so $10 out of that, that means your commission is $40. So that might make a big difference to you. But what if you were able to have multiple parties all going at the same time with minimal effort? The only effort is creating that one party. And let's say, for the sake of argument, that all 4, let's say you have 4, and all 4 of those parties are the minimum that you have to earn to make it, or sell to make it a qualified party. So that would be $200. That $50 times 4 is $200. And so $10, that's $190 commission still. And you just made so much more because you were able to do so much more with no more effort. So there. Okay, another soapbox, but now I'm off. All right, I'm going to show you a couple things. But today I want to show you how I manage multiple media platforms and I engage with my audience, because Facebook is a wonderful thing. But because of Cinchshare, I'm able to be out there on multiple media platforms, and I'm able to get exposure out there where I might not otherwise, because I don't have time to keep going to all the apps and manually posting all over the place. So I'm going to show you what I do if I am going to post an engagement post. So something, a call to action to get them engaging in my group, or just something fun. And I know that you're all part of Directly Social, because I put you on that group, and I highly recommend Melissa Feetsum. She's a genius. And she gives us free engagement posts every month. And so there's no reason why you shouldn't be using them. You should be, if you see it pop up, if you go to Directly Social each month and you search for engagement posts, you'll find them. And she's giving them to you. You don't even have to create them. So she's giving them to you. So I have downloaded them off of Facebook. And here they are. So she gave us 4. And with the new algorithms of Facebook, you don't want to overpost, because you'll get in trouble, and you won't, and they'll make it so that your items don't come up in people's feeds very often. They don't want us being all salesy. And so that's why she's recommending not overdoing it on the engagement post. So I'm going to click here on this engagement post. So this is, what's your leprechaun name? And by the way, in case anyone was wondering, my name is Adorable McNaughty. But so I'm going to post this. Now, do I want to post it on all my platforms at the same exact time? No, because that would look weird. And if someone happened to see Instagram and Facebook at the same time, they're going to say, hey, she's just kind of sticking them all out there with no effort. And that doesn't look as, it doesn't look like I'm making any effort, which I'm really not. But they don't need to know that. So I'm going to post it on my Bag Lady site, and I am going to post it on Twitter this first time. And I am going to say, you always want a call to action. So what's your leprechaun name? Mine is, and it's Adorable McNaughty. And then, let's see, St. Patrick's Day, and name. So you always want hashtags. I'm trying to come up with some right now, but that's what I've got for you. Okay, so we're going to post that on Sunday. Sunday is a great day for engagement posts. I post all kinds of other stuff during the week. I don't really post a lot on Sundays, so just one little casual post on a Sunday is a good thing, because people are kind of, relaxing, and having something fun to look at is a good thing. So I'm going to post this. We'll say, let's post this at 2 p.m. So you can see what I did. I picked my day and my time. I have picked where I'm going to put it. My picture's there. My message is there. Twitter, you see this right here? Twitter only allows a certain number of characters. I don't actually go to Twitter very often, but I sure as heck post there, because, again, you want to get yourself out there on all those platforms, because you never ever know where you're going to be, where your name will be seen, and where those potential people that want your business will come from. So I'm going to schedule this post. Boop, there it is, right there. Now, I have 2 other platforms I want to post to. So I'm going to go over here to this drop down, and I'm going to say copy post, and I'm going to remove Twitter. I'm going to remove Bag Lady. I'm going to put on my business page on Facebook, another conversation that we need to have, and I'm going to put on my Instagram. Now, I don't want them posting at the same time, so let's do this one at 6. And so everything else is the same, but we're doing it at a different time and on different platforms. And there you go. So I have a couple others that I need to do, but I will, for the sake of time, I wanted to show you some other things as well. So you see this lovely button right here, Design with Canva? Based on me telling you about our in previous training about how much I love Canva, this is another reason. They have a partnership with Cinchshare. So I don't even have to open my Canva account, because it's here. So let's say I want to do an Instagram post. I have an idea in mind, and I'm already in Cinchshare. So I'm going to go over here, and I am going to say St. Patrick's Day. And again, I want free. And there you go. So then I could make my image. So let's see, I like photos. That is kind of creepy. That's kind of creepy. So sometimes, it's a search engine. So sometimes you're pulling up things and you're like, how does that relate? It's pulling up one random word in there. So sometimes I have to reword things, like if I want kids or babies, you just have to pick and choose. But let's make a background. Let's do that. Let's make that. I don't see any four-leaf clovers in this picture. Interesting. All right. And then let me see here. Do I want anything else? Oh, that's an even better background. Let's trash this. That's an even better background. I like that. It's fun. And then we can do something cute. Do something cute. That's cute. And we'll say, Happy St. Patrick's Day. And then we'll say, love your bag lady. And then I would watermark this. So, okay, so let's say that this is done. I'm going to say save. Okay, now here's what's really cool. I'm going to say publish. Watch this. There it is. So then I would go in and just pick a day and a time and a group to post it to. I'm actually not going to keep that one because I didn't watermark it or anything, but I wanted to show you your options. It is so cool. And that is Canvas free. And if you already have a membership, you can just sit here and play and post and play and post. So those are a couple of the reasons why you would want Cinchshare. Let me show you another. Yes, I want to leave. Oh, no, didn't even ask me. Okay, so Pinterest. See the little lovely little Pinterest button on all these pictures? This is the history. This is all the things that have posted in any of my either parties or groups. Look at that craziness. Okay, so let's see, where did I stop? I was doing this earlier today. Didn't do that. I did that. I did that. I did that. Oh, I know what I did. So I want to sort. I only want bag lady posts because that'll make my life a lot easier. There we go. Okay. So let's say that I want to do National Chili Day. I want to put that on Pinterest. Okay. And I'm going to be posting it to my business Pinterest page. Again, we're going to have this discussion because you need to be doing this. So then I want it to link back to me. I want everything to always link back to me. This makes sense. So I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say, if they click on that picture in Pinterest, where is it going to take them? It's going to take them to my business page on Facebook. Pin it. And I have one called Engage. And there, now it's on Pinterest. That was pretty easy, right? Takes a little work on the back end just to create things, like boards and things, but Pinterest makes it pretty easy to create boards. Okay, so I wanted to show you that too. We'll talk more about Cinchshare, but I wanted you to see how beautiful and wonderful this is and how it can help you in your life and really create a better business plan for you and give you more business because you'll have more time and more sanity and more organization. All right, let me know if you have questions and I would be happy to help you in any way that I can. All right, see you later.